Hello everyone, today we have a TÄRENDÖ table from IKEA. It's about 30 pounds, one of the cheaper ones, very easy to assemble. Today is coming with the 4 IKEA chairs. Let's do this. Okay, so it's just few screws, as you see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. And IKEA provided with some Allen keys, but if you have an electric screwdriver or a drill, it will be much faster. Hi guys, so this is the TÄRENDÖ table from IKEA, 30 pounds, and 4 good chairs from IKEA, altogether 70 pounds. Hope you like this one and have a beautiful day.